Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to put out fire in Project Zomboid. A fire will spread fast if left alone, so stop it early. You can use water buckets, filled water bottles, or any container fillable with water to douse flames. Approach the fire, right-click on it, and choose Extinguish Fire. A new targeting cursor will appear, then select the active flames. Your character will position safely to put out the fire. If you don't have a container, you can scoop water directly from a nearby water source, like a sink, tub, or barrel, into a bucket or bottle, then use it on the flames. Also keep an eye on rain. Natural rain will wet the ground and help reduce fire spread, though it won't instantly put out a large blaze by itself. Always carry extra water containers and refill them before exploring, because water is your main tool for fire control. And that's how you put out fire in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.